11/7/24, we're changing the flow switch paddle. The flow is going this way, so when the water goes and it touches this, you can hear that noise, makes this continuity. So 27 volts travels in, and then 27 stops until the water goes, and then the 27 volts flows into the motherboard, and then once the motherboard gets 27 volts, the boiler gets the fire up. So there's also a circulating pump. When the circulating pump pumps, then the water is going to flow. So when the water drops down, and the pump will pump, and when the water reaches the top, then the flow stops going. Sorry, so when the pump pumps, so when circulating pump pumps, it will keep the water moving. Once the storage tank goes all the way to the top and full, it stops. And once that stops, then it will also stop the fire. So only when it's flowing is when the cooking is happening. And so there's a switch inside that reaches 120. When it doesn't reach 120, it will send 27 volts, and then this pump module for the circulating pump right there, it will let the recirculating pump pump. Also, there's also a thermostat to cut off, and the thermostat, when it hits a certain temperature, it will also shut off. And the temperature inside is it's called an aquastat. Actually, I don't know what this is called. This could be high pressure switch shutdown, but the aquastat, meaning aqua for water, thermostat is inside, and that's set to 120. So hopefully, after changing the storage tank and the valves, and this is the original one that came out. This one is like almost twice as long. This is 2.5. This is like 3.5, something like that, an inch more. All right, here we go.